les côtes Miller, c'est magnifique. Oh no way! Suzuki will abandon us. But we have a new secret weapon before leaving the championship. Time to use our Turbo Suzuki, still in experimental phase. But we don't have time to... As I said, experimental phase. But we don't have time to improve it. Yeah, this victory will help me with my future bike. Okay, Peko, go ahead. Hey, God Mirror has some mercy. Even if that means I will go to slow teams. No, stop right there. This God won't be humiliated by the one who will steal my bike. So, do you fear the best here? I won't fear someone who... Hey, who are me? That was nice, but now I want to try the taste of Agnaia. Peko! What am I going to do next year? Hey, I know which bike you can use next year. Oh, which one? This one. Stop playing with my feelings. Step by step, I'm recovering my pace. No. Hey! Hey! I don't think you're back until you make one of my backflips. I can do it. Have you seen that? That I overtook you? Yes, I have seen that. I was one of the favorites to fight for the championship, but this year I'm not lucky and I don't understand why. Let's see if Jorge Martin will crash today. Oh no, another crash, no! Yay! This is amazing! Wanna know what is even more amazing? Wow! That a 2021 Ducati is faster than the one of 2022! Hey? I won't let you be millionaire! We must show an improvement every year, so stay behind! I think I'm gonna have fun with you! Chapter is almost over and victory is possible! Oh, if only I could win the championship! Victory will be for the bestia! What did I tell you about being in front of... Yeah, baby, piece of cake! Yeah, road to victory and beyond! Could be beyond Ducati, please? Hello, MotoGP team. We are Rins and Mir. We are two riders who will be abandoned by their team. And we are wondering if there's a space for a world champion and a future champion on your team. I never thought about making my own MotoGP team. But maybe I can change my mind and have fun next year.
Hey minifan, you want more content of the minis? Join our social networks, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook to see more designs. If you want to meet more minifans, you can chat with us in our Telegram group, Discord channel and Reddit. Don't forget to support us as a YouTube member or Patreon. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to click the like button and leave us a comment. Subscribe to the channel and see you on the next Grand Prix!